Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to share a YouTube link on Instagram story that will pull up YouTube app. So first thing that you will do is of course go to your Instagram application, and after that just simply go ahead and tap the plus icon at the bottom. And now here of course go to story tab. Now here once you are on your story, it's either you could create or upload a video or photo. Now, you could just simply go ahead and select the smile icon at the top. And now you should be able to see here link. So tap on the link icon. And from here, just simply provide your YouTube link. So I'm going to link our channel. And now just simply select done. And after that, guys, you should be able to have your link over here and just simply post a story. Now, guys, as you can see, I have a story here. So I could just simply go ahead and tap on the YouTube link and people could visit the link over here. You will have a pop-up and after that, it will open up Instagram and they should be able to preview what you just link. There you go. See ya.